Welcome to my science class. In this class, we will solve sums from NCERT textbook. The sum says there are two parts in the sum, A and B. A, part A. How much current will an electric bulb draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohms? This is the first question. So we'll try to answer the first question. They are asking how much current will an electric bulb draw from a 220 volt source. The resistance of the bulb filament is given to be 1200 ohms. So what they are given to us? Potential difference. Potential difference. V is equal to 220 volts. Next, they are given the resistance. R equal to 1200 ohm. Now to find the current. I we have to calculate. So we can calculate the current by using the Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, R equal to V by I. So what is R here? 1200. 1200 is equal to 220 by I. So we will cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, what we will get? 1200 I is equal to 220. I is equal to 220 by 1200. So I will be equal to, if you divide it, you will get 0.18 amps. Therefore, the bulb will draw a current of 0.18 amperes. This is you have answered the first part. Now we'll go for the second part. Now we'll see the part B. How much current will an electric heater coil draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the heating coil is 100 ohms? So part B, the answer for the part B, we are given as the potential difference. Potential difference V is equal to 220 volts. Then they are given as the resistance R 100 ohms. We will calculate the current. I we have to calculate. So by Ohm's law, we know that R is equal to V by I. So what is R? 100 ohms is equal to 220 by I. We cross multiply 100I is equal to 220. I is equal to 220 by 100. I is equal to 2.2 amperes. Therefore, the heater will draw a current of 2.2 amperes. The question is the potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volts when it draws a current of 4 amperes from the source. What current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volts? There are two cases here. In the first case, the potential difference between the terminals is 60 volts when it draws a current of 4 volts from the source. That's the case 1. In the case 2, they are asking what current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volts. By using the Ohm's law, we can calculate the current. The Ohm's law says R equal to V by I. To calculate the current, we require the potential difference and the resistance. So in the case 2, we don't have the resistance. We'll calculate the value of R by using the case 1. Then we'll come to the case 2. Now coming to the case 1. In case 1, so the potential difference V is equal to 60 volts and the current I is equal to 4 amperes. In this, we'll use the value of V and I, find the value of R, the resistance. So We'll calculate the resistance. Resistance to R will calculate by using the Ohm's law. R is equal to V by I. So what is V here? 60 volts. I is 4 amperes. So we will get 15 ohms. This is 15 ohms. In case 1, we found the resistance of the electric heater is 15 ohms. Now come to case 2. Here the value of R is same. The resistance is R equal to 15 ohms. Then the potential difference V is equal to 120 volts. Now we have to calculate the current. Current I we have to calculate. So again by using the Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. What is R? R is 15. 15 is equal to 120 by I. So if you cross multiply, 15I is equal to 120. I is equal to 120 by 15. So I is equal to 8 amps. 8 amperes the current. Therefore, the heater will draw a current of 8 amperes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.